Are you one of those individuals, male or female, who suffers from fatigue, memory loss, weight gain, depression? If so, you are going to want to stick around and watch this video because we are here at the Vital Forge with Miss Mary Moret.
Hi.
She is a dual certified nurse practitioner.
Yep.
With about 10 other letters after your name that I can't remember. But here's what I'm going to tell you. You've been open now 2 months.
Correct.
It's been a little over 2 months.
I would say really like 1 month because October 23rd was when we truly opened the doors.
And we were here and we talked about all the services that you had to offer. But since then, you've added more services and we want to kind of talk about where you're at because new year, new you, weight loss, right?
Yes.
And weight loss is different for everyone.
Yep. It's not linear. It's individualized, many different levels of life that we go through.
Right.
And so plays a huge factor. So yeah, so it's been great. It's been an amazing experience here in Sierra Vista. Everybody's been pretty welcoming and we're excited. And we're always adding on new services, so we get excited when that happens, of course. And so we're looking on adding more services here in the next month or so as well.
And some of those services include, you do the vitamin injections.
Correct.
And peptides now.
Yes. So we do vitamin injections. We do B12, which is great for your fat metabolism, boosting energy, MIC injections, which enhances weight loss. It's a great adjunctive therapy. We have tri-immune boosters for cold and flu seasons to kind of help with immunity. We also do NAD, which is great for anti-aging properties. Think of it like as recharging your battery for DNA repair. And so it's a great service to have.
So one of the things that you specialize in is the men's hormone replacement therapy.
Correct. Yeah.
Let's talk about some of the symptoms because for men, it's kind of like menopause for women if you have low testosterone. Yeah. And it can lead to serious health risks.
Yeah.
If somebody out there is watching, Mary, tell me what are the key signs that they may have low testosterone?
So low testosterone, is not the same from man to man. So it's going to vary. And you are correct. I like to refer to as andropause. And there are other reasons that can cause low testosterone. That's why we always say book a free consultation and we can do like an initial visit and more comprehensive to understand what that underlying cause is. But men can have sleep apnea. They can have increased fat distribution, especially around the abdominal area, reduce muscle mass, decrease body hair. They can have low libido, brain fog, memory problems, sleep issues. So there are so many symptoms that play into a factor, and there are so many puzzle pieces for each person that can kind of intercorrelate with everything. And so it's really important, I think when people find a provider, you find somebody who you're comfortable talking about with that stuff because it's a very uncomfortable position to be in sometimes.
Absolutely. Yeah. And we were talking about that, and I said the most important thing is if you even question if this could be the cause of what has been going on with you, because all the symptoms that you've listed probably mask something else, right?
Yeah, exactly.
You don't know. You get a script, you walk out the door, doesn't work. Yeah. If you come down to the Vital Forge, if you give Mary a call and you make a consultation, make an appointment for a consultation, there is no charge. And I say this every time I come in and I talk to you. All people have to do is walk in this door and start talking to you. To understand you truly do care about the patient. You truly do take the time to sit down, to listen. And like you said, it is not linear. There are so many
factors. Yep.
Exactly. And I think it's important for people to know, like we had talked about before, maybe a little uncomfortable of a situation to talk about. Yeah. But you're not going to be uncomfortable here.
And I think what's important is when you start to optimize those hormone levels, 3 to 6 weeks, sometimes you can see a difference in just like mood changes, energy levels. 3 to 6 months is really where you see body composition changes. And when you really optimize and individualize that, it's a great experience. It's really rewarding for me. You know, I love when I get skepticism and they come in and then they feel great, and that makes it all worthwhile for me.
It does. And you've had so many patients returning and coming back and staying on because what she's doing is working, and she cares about what's happening with you. So in addition to the men's hormone replacement therapy, weight loss for everybody. New year, new you. Everybody is looking to make the changes. You offer many different options for weight loss. Let's talk about that.
So the big thing is I want to be known for not as a prescriber who's just going to write the prescription and send you off. So we focus on weight loss, but there are many options, whether it's a GLP injectable like semaglutide or tirzepatide. We do prior authorizations, you know, if you want to get like the branded Zepbound or Wegovy with a concierge follow-up. Concierge follow-up includes labs, it includes behavioral focus. The real relationship is when you lose the weight off the meds, yes, they help, but it's creating those behaviors to build success. And, you know, there are other people who have probably some glucose dysregulation, you know, sometimes obesity, we're now treating as a chronic comorbidity, just like we would with high blood pressure, that, you know, need to be on a maintenance dose. So there is that too that I want people to consider. The other thing is we do injections. If you're ready to do lifestyle changes and you want to do like a MIC injection for, you know, which is more affordable, then that can help.
Tell me about the MIC injections, because every time that you had mentioned the MIC injections, I have said to you, I don't know what the MIC injections are.
Yeah.
And a lot of people aren't aware of it. What is a MIC, M-I-C-C, injection?
So a MIC injection really boosts your fat metabolism. It's really great at curbing your appetite, and also it has B12, so your energy levels increase. And so usually they're about 1 to twice a week, and you take it for a period of maybe like 8 or 10 weeks with lifestyle changes, and then we kind of assess from there. So it really can be used in conjunction with lifestyle changes.
So many options, and I'm going to show you this here. I don't know, Todd, you can see some of this. So one of the things I've always liked is everything about the Vital Forge. You are 100% transparent on all of your pricing.
Yes.
There's never going to be anything hidden.
Nope.
You put everything right out there, and you let everybody know what to expect from the moment that they walk in.
And I can flip this over too if you like. So for the injections too, just to emphasize, we do in-office injections when we are open on Wednesdays, but there are more affordable options to doing it telehealth, where you receive the medication at your house and you receive the whole vial and you can do it yourself. So I do try to provide flexibility. You know, even with weight loss, you know, not only do we do injectables, but we can do oral therapies as well too, you know. Not everybody's a fan of an injection, and I get that. And so we do have oral stuff that can kind of, you know, we can talk about, you know, monthly concierge and what that would look like, getting you to your goals. We also have peptide therapies, which is Semorelin is one that we offer. It's a human growth hormone. It helps reduce recovery time in the gym. It helps improve, you know, lean muscle mass, weight loss, even for women. So it's not just for men.
I mean, you cover everything.
Yeah.
So again, what I want everybody, and I encourage everybody to do, is just reach out. Check out the website. It's listed in the post description, www.thevitalforge.com. And you can learn all about her qualifications. The other thing you're going to do is it's going to have a whole list of all the services. So tell me, since you've been open, your favorite part, actually, what sets you apart from everybody else? What makes you different, Mary? Because I know the answer.
I think transparency, and I think a non-judgmental environment. Also, we are not just like a cookie cutter practice where you're going to have, you know, waiting times to be seated in the lobby. It's really going to be a one-on-one. So you know, time is not designated to 15-minute appointments only.
Right.
If you need more time, then I will give you that time. So I think building a relationship, I know for me, if I want to go to a provider, I have to feel comfortable where I'm going at. And so I try to express the same for my patients. So, yeah.
I definitely
It's a home away from home.
It's so true. And I've said it before, I'll say it again. I come in here, how many times do I come in here? I sit down, I just hang out, and we talk. Because once you step foot into this office, you see the difference. And the difference is Mary and everything that she puts out. She wanted to tailor healthcare, everything to each individual person, and you have done that.
Yeah. So I'm excited. Come visit, schedule a free consultation for your New Year's resolution, and we are call away. There are no commitments. So if you wanted a free consult just to talk for 15 minutes, I'm all for it.
That's right. And you offer, correct me if I'm wrong, a deal, kind of a little discount for
military. Yes. So right now we're doing any referral bonuses, $50 referral. So that means $50 off your first month subscription and the person that referred off their first month. And then we also are doing something specialty for the military, governmental, military spouses as well. Anybody who participates in some type of community service is a 15% discount on subscription plans. And so I think it's a good way of giving back.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So any of you that are out there, refer your friend. They get 50, you get 50.
Yep.
Everybody's a winner.
And teachers. Sorry.
Teachers, that's right. Teachers. So no excuse not to get down here, even if it's not just for weight loss. A whole plethora of services that she offers here. And she is located directly behind Denny's. So the you can't miss it. It's a big black and gold sign.
Yes.
And the best way to book an appointment is online.
Yep.
Any questions you have, I'm sure if you send an email, she'd be happy to answer that for you. So, did we cover or did we miss anything?
No, I think we got it all this time.
We had so many notes and we were so prepared, and then we both get on and we're like, yeah, this is what we're doing.
Yes.
I'm so excited to see what's coming for you. Make an appointment, make the difference, invest in your health with Mary, and you are gonna be amazed at how much time that she spends and takes to get to know you.
Yeah. I'm excited to meet you, so Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year. Get yourself down here. Any questions, all the links are in the post description. Mary, will you have us again?
Yes.
Promise.
Anytime.
Okay.
Anytime.
Good, because you got good snacks here in that.
Oh, yeah, complimentary snacks.
All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great night.